Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ismi Fitria. Here I want to share my knowledge about application of Newton's law. As we know that Newton's law is divided into three. These are: one is Newton's first law. Newton's first law is sigma force is equal to 0. Two is Newton's second law. Newton's second law is sigma force is equal to mass times acceleration. 3. Newton's third law. Newton's third law is sigma force action is equal to minus sigma force reaction. This minus sign shows us that the direction of reaction is always opposite with the direction of action. Static friction have equation. Static friction is equal to mu s times force, normal force. And kinetic friction have equation F is equal to mu k times normal force. Mu s here coefficient static friction, and here coefficient of kinetic friction. I have a tissue box and I have a pillow. I will put this tissue box on the pillow. When the tissue box not moving on the pillow, this tissue box have static friction. But when I push this tissue box to the left, this tissue box have kinetic friction, and the direction of kinetic friction is opposite with direction of the tissue box moving. When I pull this tissue box to the right, this tissue box have kinetic friction, and the direction of kinetic friction is the left, because the kinetic friction and the direction of the object moving always opposite. But when this tissue box not moving here on the pillow, this tissue box have static friction. For example, I have a box on the floor, and this floor is wood, and I have kinetic friction is equal to 2, and this box have mass 10 kilograms, and I will pull this box with force I give is equal to 60 N. And this box has weight is equal to mass times gravitation. The mass is 10 and gravitation is 10. So the weight is 100 N. This box have normal force too. The normal force is equal to 100 N, because normal force same with weight. And this box has a friction to the left, and find the value of friction. Again, find the friction with the formula friction is equal to mu K times normal force. Mu K is equal to 2 times normal force is equal to 100. So friction is equal to 200 mu.
Okay, this is other examples. This box have mass 5 kilograms and mu is equal to 0.2, and this box have angle 37 degrees and the force is equal to 40 Newton, and we will find the acceleration. We can draw it, yes, like this. And component J is F sin 37 degrees, and the force is 40, and sin 37 degree is 0.6 and is equal to 24 Newton. The x component is force times cos 37 degrees is equal to 40 times 0.8 and is equal to 32 Newton. Rocks will pull to the right, so the friction is to the left, and minus because the friction and the pull this box is opposite. We will find the value of friction. Value of friction is equal to mu times totally normal force, and the mu is 0.2 times total normal force is 26, and friction is equal to 5.2 Newton. As we know that Newton's second law is total force is equal to mass times acceleration, and total force from this, the friction, and F times cos 37 degrees. So F times cos 37 degrees times plus minus friction, because this is opposite with this, is equal to mass times acceleration. F cos 37 degrees is 32 newtons plus minus friction 5.2 is equal to mass, the mass is 5, times acceleration. So all is equal to 26.8 is equal to 5 times acceleration, and the acceleration is 26.8 divided by 5. And the acceleration is 5.36 meter per second square. For another example is the mass. The box have mass 2 kilograms and the floor is wood, so this box have mu is equal to 0.1 and the force is equal to 60 N and direction moving is to left. So we can draw again. Kilograms and the force is equal to 60 N and the box have weight 2 down to earth. Weight is equal to mass times gravitation and the mass is 2 times gravitation is 10, so the weight is 20 newtons. And this is equal to 60 N and this box have weight times sin 37 degrees and the weight is equal to 20 and sin 37 degree is 0.6 and this is equal to 12 N. And this box have friction too and the direction of friction is here to the right because this box moving to the left, okay, and the friction is mu times normal force and the mu is 0.1 and the normal force is the same with weight cos 37 degrees, so normal force is equal to 60 N and 60 N. So the friction is equal to 1.6 N. So we can find the acceleration from this. You know that the Newton's second law is total force is equal to mass times acceleration. And the total force is W times sin 37 degrees minus, I'm sorry, forget. And total force is force minus this W times sin 37 degrees and friction minus friction is equal to mass times acceleration and the force to pull this box is 60 N minus W times sin 37 degrees is 12 minus and the friction is 1.6 and the mass is 2 kilograms times acceleration. This equal to 46.4 is equal to acceleration and the acceleration is 23.2 meter per second square. That's all the material of application of Newton's law. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.